Everyone thinks the best-selling Mido watches are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ocean Star 200 Blue Bezel. First up is the Mido Ocean Star 200 with a stunning blue rotating bezel. Priced at $1,160, this Swiss automatic watch caught my attention with its stylish design and impressive specifications. If you want a reliable diver's watch that looks great and lasts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has an automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve, which means you don't have to wind it daily unless you leave it off for a while. The 200 water resistance ensures you can take it swimming or diving without worry. Plus, the sapphire crystal offers superb clarity and scratch resistance, so it stays looking sharp. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 299 reviews, it's clear that others appreciate it too. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it feels a bit bulky on the wrist. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability in a diver's watch, that sturdy build is a plus. It's perfect for those who want a watch that can withstand some serious action. This is perfect for you if you love diving or just want a stylish everyday watch. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight options. Honestly, for what you get, the value is solid. Now, if the weight of the Ocean Star 200 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ocean Star 200 Black Bezel. Next on our list is another Ocean Star 200, but this one features a sleek black rotating bezel. Priced at $1,100, it maintains the same quality but offers a different look. If you want a stunning watch that pairs well with any outfit, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just like the previous model, this watch has an automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve. The black dial with skeletonized hands is not just stylish, it's also functional, making it easy to read in low light thanks to the superluminova indexes. The stainless steel two-tone bracelet adds a touch of elegance while still being tough enough for daily wear. With a 4.6-star rating, this model is also a crowd pleaser. However, some users mention that the clasp can be tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you get it right, it feels secure and comfortable. So if you're patient with a bit of setup, this could be your go-to watch. This is perfect for you if you want versatility and elegance combined. Skip this one if you want a watch that's easy to adjust right out of the box. Honestly, it's a great deal considering the quality and design. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a lighter feel. Product number 3, Ocean Star 200 Titanium. Now let's talk about the Mido Ocean Star 200 with a titanium case priced at $1,230. This watch genuinely surprised me with its lightweight design without compromising on toughness. If you want maximum comfort while maintaining a rugged look, this is worth a serious look. With the same automatic movement and 80-hour power reserve, you can count on it to keep ticking. The anthracite dial is classy and easy to read, and like the others, it has a water resistance of 200 reviews have been positive, maintaining that solid 4.6-star rating. Now, some folks pointed out that titanium can scratch more easily than stainless steel. Here's the thing though, the lightweight comfort can make it feel like you're not wearing anything at all, which many find to be a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want something lightweight without sacrificing style. Skip this one if you're worried about scratches and prefer a more robust material. Honestly, for the comfort it offers, it's a fantastic choice. Now, if the weight of the titanium model was appealing but you want something a bit more classic, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 4, Ocean Star 200 Blue Dial. Moving on, we have the Ocean Star 200 again, this time with a striking blue dial. Priced at $1,100, it's a classic diver's watch that doesn't skimp on style. If you want a timeless piece that's both functional and fashionable, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this watch is it shares the same Swiss automatic movement and 80-hour power reserve as others, which means reliability is a given. Plus, it features the same impressive 200 water resistance. The blue dial with superluminova indexes makes it easy to read in any condition, and the stainless steel bracelet adds durability. With 4.6 stars from 299 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. However, some reviewers mentioned that it can feel a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, the sturdy build is a mark of quality, and if you're looking for a watch that can handle some wear, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's both sporty and stylish. Skip this one if you dislike heavier watches. Honestly, it's a fantastic option for the price considering the quality. Now, if you're looking for something a little different, the next watch on the list just might catch your attention. Product number 5, Ocean Star 200 Black Rubber Band. Finally, we have the Ocean Star 200 with a sleek black rubber band priced at $1,060. This watch really brings a sporty feel while maintaining that Mido quality. If you want a durable watch that's also comfortable, this is worth a serious look. The automatic movement and 80-hour power reserve means this watch is just as reliable as the others, and with 200 m water resistance, you can take it for a swim without worries. The rubber band adds a level of comfort that's hard to beat. Plus, the sapphire crystal prevents scratches, keeping it looking fresh. With a 4.6 star rating, it's clear that this design resonates with many users. However, some people have noted that the rubber band can be hard to clean after prolonged wear. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for sports or outdoor activities, a little wear is expected and the comfort might outweigh the maintenance. This is perfect for you if you need a watch for active use without compromising on style. Skip this one if you prefer traditional metal bands. Honestly, it's a great value for a sports watch at this price point. So there you have it, the top 5 Mido watches for men. Each one offers something unique, whether it's the classic look of the stainless steel or the lightweight comfort of titanium. If you're looking for a stylish, reliable timepiece, any of these could be the perfect choice for you.